I think I'm allergic to this. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be dyeing my hair purple because I don't want to be in my 20s and like regret that I didn't dye my hair when I was in high school, because I feel like it's always like, I don't know, something a high schooler does. And I dyed my hair like pinkish back in March. There's a video on my channel about that. But I'm going back to high school and this is my last summer that I feel like I can do this. And it's kind of like the last time I'll have like blonde parts on my hair, because I'm just going to go back to my natural color at the end of the month. While I have my blonde hair, I just want to do one last color to just get the hair dyeing phase out of my life. I'm just using like a temporary dye, but we had a little bit of a problem. This hair color is kind of like the color that I have at the bottom of my hair, but then I read somewhere that if you have dark blonde hair or darker, then it's just not gonna like show at all. So I was getting a little concerned and I was like, okay, I'll do a test run. So I did, and you can kind of see, I think it's like this strand. I was kind of concerned because I was like, that's not going to show up my whole head and I just don't want to look ugly, even though I kind of already do. This is the same brand of hair dye when I dye my hair hot pink, and I actually wanted a bubblegum pink, but I don't think they had the bubblegum color, so I got like hot pink, which is kind of a mistake. But this color is like a really pretty color, so I was like, okay, it'll work, but it didn't really work. So then I found this purple dye, but then I found this purple hair dye under my sink that I dyed my hair with last year, but I just dyed like my naturally brown hair, like just put this over, so it didn't really show up that much. But I think it might work if I mix the two together. It might make like a darker color that might show up more. But then I also bought some bleach in Developer, and I actually don't remember why I bought this. I think it was like last year or a few months ago. I don't remember why. I was never gonna bleach my hair, but then I thought that if my hair was lighter, like not this yellowy color, if it was like a, you know, lighter color, then the purple would show up. So I think we're gonna bleach my hair today and dye it. And I've never bleached my hair. I don't know how to bleach hair. I tried to watch videos on YouTube, but no one said like the right measurements to do it. So I'm just gonna kind of wing it. And my mom guessed I was dyeing my hair because my sister grabbed me some tinfoil and she's like, why is Julia using tinfoil? And my mom's like, why are you dyeing your hair purple? And I was like, I just kind of felt like it. And told her the reasoning, because I'm like getting rid of my blonde and I'm never gonna be able to do it again. And so she's like, okay, like she didn't really care, which I was surprised. It's temporary, so it's not that big of a deal. And I'm not doing anything for the next like 2 weeks, so it's literally not a big deal at all. But yeah, I don't really like my hair right now because it's just like this orange color and I just want to be done with it. I feel like myself when I have long dark hair. I think I mentioned that in other videos. So if I mess this up, it's super easy to cover up with my hair that I actually like.
Guys, I just realized that I have some like tomato sauce or something on the bottom of my chin for the entire video, like the entire rest of the video. Please ignore that.
I was just jumping in place and it's really fun. You guys should try that sometime. Oh no, on the package it says use a whole packet and then Developer, but I don't know if I need this whole packet. I'm just gonna kind of wing it until it's like a creamy consistency, because that's what all the videos I watched said. A little bit of that. I feel like a scientist. This is kind of fun. I have a hairdresser I could definitely go to, but I just feel like it's fun to do this by yourself. I feel like this could damage my hair, but I'm only doing the bottom, so like I would never do like my roots or anything because I'm just too scared to, and I can go to an actual hairdresser for that. Okay, so this kind of like foamy texture. You guys see that? I don't know if that's right or wrong, but that's what we're gonna do. It smells so bad in here, I think I'm going to die. I just kind of like massage this in my hair, and I don't know if I should be doing it in the black parts because I have like lines of blonde streaks in my hair, so I've been trying to get those, but I don't want to be like making all this orange, you know what I'm saying? And it's really hard to do this by yourself actually. I'm just kind of like going like that and then massaging it through my hair. I'm sorry if you're an actual hairdresser watching this because you're probably cringing like really hard, but yeah, and this is probably damaging my hair, but I honestly have no idea what I'm doing. Sorry if this light is annoying, but I really need more hair in here. Okay, so I just finished putting on all of the bleach to my hair. I got used to the smell, so it was fine, but I did get some of the powder bleach on my like arms, and now they're like red and itchy. I'm just gonna tie this in a bun so it's not touching my neck. Okay, so my plan is that I'm gonna leave this in for about 20 to 30 minutes, and then I don't know if you rinse it out or dry it or what. I'm probably thinking you rinse it out, but I just need to do my research and then I'll get back to you guys. Hey guys, I'm back. I just did a bun and put on like a ball of tin foil around it to like, I don't know what that does. I think it like warms it up or something. Makes it like go faster. And I noticed that this was like really light and like super dry feeling. So I kind of want to rinse it out now before I like have it in too long. Okay, it definitely lifted a lot like there, but then on like the inner pieces, they're still like really orange. But yeah, I think I'm just gonna rinse it out. I don't know if you shampoo and condition after you bleach, but I think I'm gonna do that. Damn, it's so beautiful. Okay, so I just rinsed out the bleach and I feel like a lot of my hair did lift and like became like almost white, but some of it was still like orangey, which is fine because I just want people to be able to see the purple. And I cleaned up all the bleach, everything's gone out of sight, so I'm very thankful about that. So yeah, I'm just gonna wait and dry this and then come back to you guys when it's time to put the purple on. Hey guys, I'm back. So this is what my hair currently looks like. It did lighten up in some spots, but not all spots. So like this is like white and this is like orange. Bleached my own hair. It's super frizzy right now because I didn't want to put too much product in it because I don't want to waste my fancy expensive hair products because I'm just gonna wash my hair right after this. But yeah, so it's pretty stripy, but some parts did lighten up, so now at least I know you'll see the purple. And I called my sister in here to help me dye my hair, so hopefully she comes. And yeah, so I just did 3 squirts of the darker one. And then I'm also gonna add some conditioner into it. Okay, so I just finished dyeing my hair purple and the towel purple. I'm gonna let this sit for like 45 minutes, and then when it's 9 o'clock, I will rinse it out and then dry it. Alright, after bleaching, dyeing, and washing my hair tons of times, my hair is finally purple. There's so many parts that just didn't get the purple. Like there's a lot of like bronzish colors. But yeah, I thought that was just kind of a fail because it doesn't look that good. But that was me dyeing my hair purple and bleaching it for the first time, which I feel like was kind of unnecessary. But I mean, I guess I wouldn't have gotten any purple if I didn't bleach it. This is what it looks like up close. It's like a pinkish here and then like purple there. But yeah, I hope you guys like this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed, and go to my Instagram to see how I look with this hair in natural lighting. Yeah, I love you guys so much. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!
I like it better than the pink one. I didn't like the pink so much.
Daddy! Oh, ow!
Did you dye your hair?
Temporarily.
Is it purple or is it pink?
It's purple.
Oh, it's cute.
Thanks.
Oh, it's very purple.